Alright, look, here's a Harbor Springfield 2. And yeah, I always wanted to film that. There's 2 of them in here. Puts out a good amount of light. And it's very loose and it buzzes. And keep in mind it does wobble. Decent quality fan, but not my favorite cup of tea. Does wobble a lot. But I mean, it's really wobbly because of the thing being, the set screws being loose against the down rod, and which causes it to move like that. And yeah, that's enough for low. Let's kick it up to medium. And it does wobble, I mean, a lot. And there's another one I'm going to film with the bent blade, but you know, it's a decent fan. Moves more air than the Harbor Breeze Altice I tested in Leesburg, but I mean, yeah, I'm a fan collector too, so I mean, it wobbles quite a bit because set screws are loose, but you know. Alright, hi. Oh yeah, the capacitor is bad too, so it doesn't really go much faster. If the capacitor was good, then you would see a big speed difference, but you know. But you know, it doesn't really push much air due to the capacitor being bad. But yeah, because it seems like high speed's a little bit slower than medium, so that's definitely a sign of a bad capacitor. So, ooh, sorry, didn't see you, Sammy. Okay, that's it with this Harbor Springfield 2, one of 2.